Hi, I'm Shannon with WTI, and these are a new addition to my home that I am obsessed with. These indoor hanging planter shelves from the brand TIMEYARD are so cute. I was searching for an easy, cute way to display my plants, which happen to be fake. Yes, we won't talk about it. I was looking for something cute and easy to put up, as I don't have patience, which is clearly why I have fake plants. And I just thought they were super cute, have a nice little boho look to them. The material is like a cotton material, super soft. The wood is not too dark. I just really thought it was super pretty, very easy to install, and really upgraded my look of my plants. So if you like having plants around and you're looking for a way to display them in a nice, pretty way, whether they're real or fake plants, you won't be disappointed with this product. But that's just my point of view.